Hello, Indian car owners and potential buyers. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic: the real maintenance cost differences between electric vehicles and petrol cars in India. Many of you are wondering if switching to an EV truly saves money in the long run. Let's find out. First, let's address the big claim. EVs can save you 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees in maintenance over 5 years compared to petrol cars. Is this true? We'll break down the numbers. To understand why, let's look at the basics. Petrol cars have complex internal combustion engines with hundreds of moving parts. This means regular oil changes, filter replacements, spark plug checks, and timing belt services. EVs, on the other hand, are far simpler. They have an electric motor, a battery pack, and a power inverter. That's it. This simplicity translates directly into fewer maintenance needs. Specifically, EVs have 60 to 70% fewer moving parts than petrol cars. This drastically reduces wear and tear components. Let's compare typical maintenance tasks. Petrol car: engine oil and filter change, air filter replacement, fuel filter replacement, spark plug replacement, timing belt chain inspection and replacement, clutch plate replacement, radiator coolant flush, exhaust system checks, emission system checks. EV car: brake fluid check replacement, tire rotation and alignment, cabin air filter replacement, battery coolant check, general inspection of electrical components. Now, let's look at the cost comparison over 5 years. These are average figures for popular models in India. Maintenance cost comparison: vertical bar component service, vertical bar petrol car, vertical bar EV car, vertical bar engine oil and filters, vertical bar 25,000 to 35,000, vertical bar 0, vertical bar spark plugs, vertical bar 5,000 to 8,000, vertical bar 0, vertical bar timing belt chain, vertical bar 15,000 to 25,000, vertical bar 0, vertical bar clutch, vertical bar 10,000 to 20,000, vertical bar 0, vertical bar brake pads and discs, vertical bar 15,000 to 25,000, vertical bar 5,000 to 10,000, vertical bar tires, vertical bar 20,000 to 30,000, vertical bar 20,000 to 30,000, vertical bar coolant and fluids, vertical bar 5,000 to 10,000, vertical bar 2,000 to 5,000, vertical bar general servicing, vertical bar 20,000 to 30,000, vertical bar 10,000 to 15,000, vertical bar total, vertical bar 1,15,000 to 1,83,000, vertical bar 37,000 to 60,000, vertical bar. As you can see, the savings are substantial. The total maintenance cost for a petrol car over 5 years can be up to 1.83 lakh rupees, while for an EV, it's typically between 37,000 and 60,000 rupees. This confirms the initial claim. Beyond the numbers, EVs offer additional benefits that reduce wear and tear. One major factor is regenerative braking. This system uses the electric motor to slow the car, converting kinetic energy back into electricity for the battery. This significantly reduces the use of traditional brake pads and discs, making them last much longer. Another common concern is battery replacement cost. However, most EV manufacturers in India offer extensive battery warranties, typically 8 years or 1.6 lakh kilometers. This means you're covered for a significant portion of your car's lifespan. Plus, battery technology is constantly improving, and replacement costs are falling. Let's summarize the 5-year ownership cost, including fuel and maintenance. Why fuel costs vary: an EV owner can expect to save an additional to 2-3 lakh rupees on fuel over 5 years compared to a petrol car, depending on usage and electricity tariffs. Combined with maintenance savings, the total ownership cost difference becomes truly compelling. Beyond direct costs, consider the hidden benefits: lower emissions, quieter ride, and instant torque for a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, the data clearly shows that electric vehicles offer significant maintenance cost savings in India, making them a financially smart choice for the long term. What are your thoughts on EV maintenance? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the automotive world.